Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Tabo. In this channel, we talk about ways to make money forex trading, giving you strategies and tips of ways you can make money. So in this video, I'll be showing you telling you three ways you need to avoid to make money as a beginner. Three mistakes that beginners do and that you could avoid to make money as a forex trader. So I'll be going right into it, giving you all my steps. I've been there myself and I've done a lot of these mistakes, so I don't want you to do the same mistakes. So I'll go right into everything and show you the steps that you need to take to start making money. So the first one is make sure you have enough capital. Most traders, beginner traders, think they can just make money with like $20 or $50. You need to put a lot of capital, all right? Unless you have a lot of skills. If you have a lot of skills, then it's quite easy to start making good money. But if you don't have any skills and nothing else, I don't advise you to start with small capital. So the minimum I'd say once everything is good is to start with at least $500. And as I said, unless you have a lot of skills. Because if you do have a small amount of money, you're gonna end up in a cycle of losing money, and then you end up losing a lot of money in the long run. Because first of all, you can't trade with the small money and you don't have the capacity to trade with it, okay? And you don't have the skills. Number two, so the second one is a very important one, is that most beginners don't have enough skills, okay? So they have enough money, or now what they do is like they go to prop firms and they like buy an account. And then what happens is like most of the time, 90% of those traders lose money, even advanced traders. The reason is it's not easy. You need to really be skillful when it comes to that, all right? So you need to have the good amount of knowledge, all right? So, because even people who are really good, they still struggle with that. So I would say once you become like a professional trader, then you can start doing things prop firms. Even then, I don't even recommend that. Like I always say, trade your own capital. And then, because if anything happens to these things, and then you're going to be in a very bad situation. So I always advise grow your own capital and make money with it. I mean, I've never been a fan of that. I've done it once and it wasn't really for me. The main thing is to have your own accounts because you have full control. So, but the most important thing, have the good skill. Get someone who can teach you how to trade, or just learning it. But learning it for yourself could take years and you might not even succeed. But if you have someone who really knows how to trade, who's willing to actually mentor you, then like it'll make a huge difference, okay? It'll turn your 8-year journey into 4-year journey, or even less, depending on obviously how you do it. So that's the most important thing. Make sure you are doing that. Have enough knowledge, and before you invest in the markets, it's not a quick rich scheme. Even when people are investing a lot of money, they think they're going to make huge amount of returns. It's never like that. Think of this as an investment. That's how professional traders make money. We think long term, and then you can make money. But if you think short term, you lose money because you want money now. So make sure you're aware of that. And then let's go to number three. So number three, the most important one, is to make sure that you don't close your trades early. Okay, this is a very important one. Okay, so once you're in profit, let your profit run at least to your take profit, or let it run further. All right. And so what beginner traders do, or unprofitable traders do, what they do is they close their trades early. Once they start making a bit of money, then they close it, and only to find that the trade will go right to the top. Right, so as we've seen on my last video, when I showed you how to grow $5 to $100 in 3 weeks, I wasn't closing them. I was waiting for them to go to my TP, right? So I waited them to go to so I can get bigger profits. So I protected what I had, and then I let my profit runs. That's what professional traders do. And once you have a loss, you need to close quickly. So professional traders close their losses quickly and let their winners run, while beginner traders want to close their profit early and let their losses run. So this is what separates people from being profitable and unprofitable. So being profitable for the last, being trading for the last 8 years and being profitable for the last 4 years, 4 to 5 years, I can say this is probably the most important thing that separates the elite traders from traders you're just trying out. Okay, so for example, I'm just like traveling the world. I'm in a different country almost every month. Like currently now I'm in a different place shooting this video here. I'm in quite a different country. I can show you here, you can see, but I could only achieve this because, you know, if I'm professional trader, I can let my profits run. So this is what I basically do. So even when I'm traveling, I'm not like, closing the trades early. I let them run to wherever the profits are desired. And I'm not really looking at them. So you can't do, if you're not, like, for example, you want to travel, for example, you can't be looking at your trades the whole time. So doing that is called swing trading. So this is what I do. I leave it for maybe for even a week, and then I can travel. So I know after a week, after 2 weeks, I'll get profits, or after a month, because I'm like looking long term and I'm not rushing it. So I'm not saying, I've got this amount of money, I close it. Okay, because remember, the markets can go negative too, so you have to wait those out. Let it give you, is it negative? If it's negative, okay, close it out quickly as possible, and then if it's in profit, let it run. So those are my keys that can help you to become a profitable trader and not be like losing money like beginners. So I hope this video was insightful, guys, and I hope it gave you value that you need. And if you have any questions or any comments, don't forget to leave them on the section below, in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to give you a reply and help you out. Other than that, keep trading and make sure you don't commit these mistakes. And that way you can start making money effortlessly. Alright, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video. Let's go.